Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named as Female Education. Female education is very important topic to talk about in our country. That's why we are sharing a few short paragraph on female education. Okay, let us start. Education is the backbone of a nation. So it has great importance for everyone because through which we can distinguish between human beings and animals. Education teaches us the way of living in a society, and for this, it is important for everyone, not only for men but also for women. There was a time when women did not receive any education at all. They were confined within the four walls of their houses. They were limited to only domestic works. But now, there has a great change. Now, women have the same respect as men. They are now taking part in every sphere of our life. In developing and developed countries, women are playing important role in offices, educational institutions, hospitals, even in agriculture. So, education should not be categorized by male or female. Female education is equally important to male in every religion, every country, because women are the mothers of the future generation. They have to take care of the children, maintain the house. If women are uneducated, ultimately the future generation will be uneducated. Thus, education is very important for women, not only for men, because female education helps to balance the rate of literacy in any nation and ensure the improvement of a nation. Parents should give the opportunity to girls for getting an education, and government should take necessary action to ensure female education. In a country like India, female education is being appreciated day by day, but a few years ago, the situation was not like now. People are changing and they are being smart and educated. Educated people can realize the importance of girls' education, but there are still a large number of girls are illiterate and they are not able to get an education. We need to stand for them and make education easy for every single girl in the world. An educated girl or woman could do so many things that other can't. We can see that they are smarter than others. They raise their kids better and in a proper way. They study and learn things that helps them to lead a better life. We all need to realize that and let our girls be educated. Female education is a really important term right now for the entire world. From the very beginning, people used to neglect female education. As a result, women are so much behind according to research. Few first world countries are done really amazing in this, but still, now there are problems. Napoleon said, "Give me an educated mother, I will give you an educated nation." Can you realize the quote? An educated mother can create an educated nation. If our wives and our sisters won't get proper education, then how can we expect that our next generation will be educated? That's why we need to put some extra efforts into female education. There is a huge importance of female education. We need to emphasize that. Women are a vital part of us. We can't arrange a better society or better nation without them. They should be our partner in the journey, and we of course appreciate educated and we learned partner with us. Whatever we do, they are helping us to complete that. The world is growing and being special day by day. But in every sector, girls are not participating equally with boys. What is the main reason behind this? I think of female education. Our life starts with education, and if we can pursue education properly, we can go really long in our life. And if we can't, we may not be able to go long. But in this world, lots of females are still away from education. Sometimes they leave study after a certain age. We need to work on that and make awareness among people that will help us to understand the importance of female education. There are huge controversies about education for a girl. Some people present really funny and weak logic to prevent a girl's education, but we should stand against them and let our girls to be educated. We can't imagine a good nation without educated girls. There are lots of advantages of female education. Our whole society can be benefited from the process. Girls are working with boys outside nowadays. If they don't get the proper education, they won't get a better job. That's why they need to pay attention to education. We also need to ensure their study. An educated mother can build an educated family. People won't get proper good behavior and manners without a good education. We should bring equality in the education system all across the world. In this world, there are still lots of people don't believe in equality among boys and girls. But being honest, they are the same. We need to treat the same and make them perfect for each other. If we don't keep the equality, that will hurt them and don't let them grow properly. Female education paragraph is a really important one. We all can make awareness to our area and let people realize the importance of education for their girls. If we all start trying, then there will be change and this change will change the world. We all can change the world together. Female education is really necessary for every woman in this world. We should focus on that. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.